Hey loves, welcome to today's episode as I show you how I installed my Spanish braids. So to begin, I will quickly comb my hair. I washed it and blow dried it a little bit yesterday to make my work easier today. But by the feel of it, it needs a little more straightening before I do the cornrows. So let's quickly straighten it. One thing I usually avoid is heat on my hair, but knowing how African hair can be stressful, I definitely don't have any choice. So this comb is not as strong, but it helps a lot. We now do the cornrows. I didn't record the beginning because I was actually avoiding having an extremely long video. And knowing myself well, I will cut the larger part of it, definitely. To begin the cornrows, I don't usually tighten it too much at the beginning, of which you should, but I avoid so that I can sleep well the first days and to protect my hairline. If you know, you know. So yeah, we are done and I'm out here looking like a primary school kid. Wow. So using the Spanish braids by Angels. This is a long Spanish by the way, but nowadays the long is not as long as it used to be. The texture is quite fine though. So here's a tricky part. I like dividing it into very extremely tiny parts. This is what makes the whole difference. The downside though is that it's time consuming. So ensure you always lock the crocheting needle. In the beginning, I was just doing one knot, but I will do two knots as I proceed because it's much better. Here I loved how it was coming by, though I had a long way to go. Most times I usually skip, but I will add up the spaces later on, so don't be surprised. So this is just one pack. So we fill in the front part which I left out. And okay, I skipped recording the final part since it's just the same thing, the monotony and all. So here's the final look, and I really, really love it. The hair is so light and I like it. Yeah, I do like it. So I personally use the olive oil spray because it works for me. But if you can get any type of spray, especially the one that can help in detangling, I believe it will work best in this case. Yeah, it will work best in this case. And yeah. So, my good people, thank you so much for watching till this very end, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Until next time, bye bye.